Hello YouTube, this is Kathy with Gardening with the Rabbit Lady. It's October 8th. We were trying to get these sweet potatoes harvested. The grandbabies lasted the little first part of the video where we was just trying to get started. I found out that this little rake don't do nothing. So, I'm going to try and do this one-handed. I'll let the kids go play. I cannot find my potato fork. This container is like 2 feet by 4 feet. We gonna see what we see. So it's trying to not harm any potatoes. I'm going aside. This is gonna be real funny, y'all. Okay. Pulling the dirt up. Oh! I don't know what just cracked. I see why they say you need a potato fork. Alright. Well, here's one. I'm going to throw them in this bucket if I find them. If I find them. I want to get to this bit. Now this dirt, oh, it's not as big as it felt. Ooh, yeehaw. They're my sweet potatoes. Actually, they pulled up not too difficult. Darn it, well that pulled completely off. This is going to be a pain to get through just because... Oh, wait a minute. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? They are right here on the top. Holy crap. Holy moly. Y'all, these videos they be showing on the YouTube, they really are this easy to get to. Dang it. They really are right here on the top. Oh, look, they all the way down there. They really are easy. Okay, they ain't so easy to do when you're trying to videotape one-handed. Look. There's one. I always wondered. I guess if you got decent enough soil, they do come up loose enough soil. They do come up pretty easy. They also seems like I'm breaking them too. But I could feel them. Look at that. Look at that. Holy moly, they come up here. Look at that. They're huge. Some of them are really big. You guys know this is my first ever. This one is stuck down there. I don't know why. I'm not going to yank it up because I don't want to break it. I need a scope or something. Alright, y'all. I am not going to be able to keep doing it. Look at that. Look at that. That's just one little piece. And I still have all that over there to do. So, my stand for this, y'all know, a while back it broke. I didn't even get to really use it one good time. Look at that big one, I can't even get out. It's in there, good. Okay, so I don't know how to get it down here without breaking all these potatoes. I cannot. Hey, baby, do you know what a potato fork is?
What?
It looks like a pitchfork, except they're flat tines instead of rounded. I have one. It's about the size like this. Have you seen it? All right. Well, I'm going to look for that. I'm going to turn this off and come back. I may or may not videotape more or have somebody hold this while I videotape more. I expect a lot of potatoes just from what I'm seeing right here. I'm so happy. I can't believe I already have so many sweet potatoes. My mama's gonna flip her lid. Oh, come look at this, baby. Come look at these.
What are y'all doing? Where's your glasses at, Zay? Now I'll take them out of your pocket before you fall on them.
Look at these sweet potatoes. Oh my gosh. Now I see why people in the videos get so happy. It is a giant treasure hunt. When you get down here and you see them. Look, all the way in the back.
They're grassy there, buddy.
And this is, like I did make this real sandy soil.
You all right?
Baby, I'm doing a video. This is real sandy soil. So that they can get through here real good. Okay, so I'm going to look for my potato fork or something. Maybe do. I want to videotape this so bad. Oh, look how big that is. Holy moly. Darn it. Fucking butter, excuse me. Oh, look at that. They got some holes in them. It's some roly-polies. You see the roly-polies I just knocked off of that big old giant? So we know roly-polies. Oh, man. It's okay. Come on, roly-polies. Knock them off, y'all. Knock them off. Don't let them eat your vegetables. Holy moly. Okay, y'all, this is my arm. Look at this. I might just, let me see. Okay. Dang it. And it broke. Y'all see it broke? There's my fingers. There's the sweet potatoes. There's just one sweet potato. On the other video, here's my elbow. That's one sweet potato. Phones are ringing in there. I'm uploading the first part of the video because I started, y'all, and the phone said it is full. Memory is full. I want to see. Oh, wow. Look at this. And it broke. Y'all. This is awesome. Now I see why people get so happy in these sweet potato finds. They be getting all crazy excited. Because it's crazy exciting work. And these little ones, what I found, I was looking on YouTube. These little ones, they keep them. They slice them thin and freeze them. Well,